Well, news coming in that the Supreme Court has ordered judicial officers to now release all under trials who have stayed in jail for more than half the time of the sentence for crime that they have been charged of. The Apex Court directing all judicial officers to start visiting jails from the 1st of October and file a report after 2 months on prisoners released by them. The Supreme Court there also lamenting on the lack of infrastructure for the lower judiciary. Jaskirat Singh Bawa joining me live for details on this breaking news coming in. Jaskirat, the Supreme Court making a very important observation. This order that's coming in will also mean that a lot of resources can be freed and more focus on the infrastructure can be laid upon.
Well, you can clearly sense the urgency from the order over here. This can come as a relief to thousands and thousands of under trial who are languishing in the prison, who have already served for more than half the time that of a sentence that they've been charged for the crime that they've been charged for. Now, of course, in this particular order, the judicial officers are supposed to visit the jail in person at least once a week for over a period of 2 months. And if they find the person fit to and meeting the criteria, they can order for the release right then and there. I have with me the Additional Advocate General for the state of Uttarakhand, Mr. Mukesh Giri, who will throw some more light on this especially because he actually appears for one of the state governments in this case. So if you could just elaborate, is this something very unique about this order, or has the Supreme Court only ordered for the actual established CRPC procedures to be followed?
See, the Supreme Court of India has delivered a historic judgment today, because this is the implementation of the Section 436A, which was brought in the legislative the statute only in 2005. So there are 60% under trial languishing in jail, though have served the sentence more than 50% of the sentence provided, and they have been charged with. Now, after this judgment, they shall be released, and there won't be any impediment. Even on personal bond, they can be released. There won't be the requirement of their surety and other things as provided in CRPC.
An approximation of about the number of people who could benefit from this. Do we have a number?
So right now we have no number, but 60% of the total detainee in the jail, they have been stated to be that they are serving sentence more than what has been charged with. And under Section 436A, now this ball will roll in, and they would be giving quick relief immediately within 2 months, without there being any impediment or they are being asked for giving a surety like that.
But the Supreme Court is also pointing out the fact that even if you bring in more judicial officers in the lower judiciary, there is no infrastructure to actually support them. There's a huge lacuna of not only the number in the lower judiciary, pointing out very interestingly the numbers over here, that there are 3 million cases for 20,000 judges. That's a huge number for 20,000 judges to deal with in the country, and the centre and the government has not been provided with enough infrastructure.
So for that reason, Attorney General has sought 3 months' time to have a conference with all the chief justices and all the chief ministers of the state, because that being a state subject. So now that matter will be taken up after 3 months, after consultation with all the state functionaries who are holding the post for dealing with the issue. So now that issue will be decided within 3 months, that number of the judges to be appointed, and qua the number of the cases which are pending in the court, that is 3 crore cases are pending. So now issue is judges population wise and judges case wise also. So Honorable Chief Justice of India has emphasized this thing, that judges case wise also. There are suits pending in the original jurisdiction before the High Court, which require more the judges, and more time is consumed in delivering those judgments.
Understood. So two very important pointers coming out from over here from the Supreme Court hearing that was held today. The first, of course, being the fact that a lot of thousands and thousands, perhaps even running into lakhs under trial, who will benefit over here. There are especially those people who are not able to afford proper legal aid or proper legal assistance, and they are the ones who will be benefited over here. By December, we should be we hope to see many of them actually being released from these prisons where the judicial officers will be visiting between October and December.
Absolutely. 8th of December is the next date for hearing in this. Jaskirat Singh Bawa, do stay on with us. We have some more breaking news coming in.